Don't get tickled. Don't do it.
Chameleons, living in color in a white man's world. It's more complicated than a Jerry curl. Funnel cake flowers reports on them. Peeps how they transition. They're corporate and they're hood, but they know when to chameleon. They like fried chicken and sushi too. Watching boondocks and seeing it new. Don't be fooled when they enunciate. Can bust your ass and set you straight. The urban chameleons.
My name is Funnel Cake Flowers, and I am the Urban Chameleon News Reporter. What is an urban chameleon, you might be asking? You ever seen this guy walking down the street in his disguise, a suit and tie? He's doing it, he's giving it to you. But he's also had to work his ass off, in many cases twice as hard as this guy, the guy he sits next to at work. And even though this guy doesn't know that this guy becomes that guy after work, because this guy understands the game from two sides. What exactly are those sides, and why can't they coexist? My job is to expose the why. So stay tuned. I know one thing is for sure. It's complicated. I'm Funnel Cake Flowers, your Urban Chameleon News Reporter.
Don't get tickled. Don't do it.